Hello, this is lesson 76, part 2. We did both of these problems in part 1, so we're going to start with 22, and I'm going to bring this down here. So I have 2/3 m is equal to 12, and remember we're not going to do the second part because it causes confusion. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, which would be 3/2. So this all cancels out. M comes down. My equal sign comes down, and I have 12 times 3 over 1 times 2, which is 36/2, which is 18. Let me change colors. And I'll do 24. 24 is 10 is equal to f plus 3 1/3. I need to get f by itself. So I'm going to subtract 3 1/3. That means this is going to go away. F is going to come down. My equals is going to come down. Here I'm going to have to borrow 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2/3. And then 9 minus 3 is 6. So that's my answer. Okay. Let's see. Let's do 29, but we'll do 29 right here. So my addition rules are, if it's the same sign, I add and keep the sign. So -3 plus -5 is equal to -8. And then since this is subtraction, I'm going to keep change, which is -8 plus a +3. My addition rules say if my signs are different, then I subtract and keep the sign of the larger. 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 is larger, so I have -5. And then I'm going to bring this down minus the absolute value of +5, which is -5 minus +5. This is a subtraction problem, so I'm going to keep change. I have -5 plus -5. Same sign, so I add and keep the sign. And that would be A. Let me change my colors. Okay. B is a subtraction problem, and I know that from this. So I'm going to keep change. So I have -2.4 plus -1.2. My addition rules say that I'm going to, since these are the same sign, I'm going to add and keep the sign. So I have 3.6, and I'm going to keep that as a negative. Kind of running out of room here. And then number 30 says, before dividing, determine whether the quotient, which is the answer to a division problem, is greater than or less than 1 and state why. So I have 5/6 is divided by 2/3. And I don't think 2/3, you know what, I'm just going to, yep, it's greater than. And I think it's greater than because this is smaller than this. And then perform the calculation, which I'm trying to do down here. So 15 divided by 12, which would give me 1 3/12, which is 1 1/4. So please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.